Discovering coastal bird species, a fascinating journey. Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting journey into the world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that connects the beauty of nature with the intricacies of the English language, coastal bird species. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher, a nature enthusiast, or just curious about learning English, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the diverse world of birds living along our beautiful coastlines. Let's dive in and discover the wonders of coastal bird species together. Before we embark on our exploration of these birds, it's important to understand what the phrase, coastal bird species, actually means. The word, coastal, refers to anything related to the coast, which is the area where the land meets the sea or ocean. Bird species, on the other hand, refers to a group of birds that share common characteristics and are classified together because of their similarities. Therefore, coastal bird species are those groups of birds that are commonly found along coastlines, thriving in or around marine environments. Coastal bird species are fascinating for a multitude of reasons. Firstly, they exhibit a wide variety of adaptations that allow them to live in coastal environments. From long legs for wading through shallow waters to specialized beaks for fishing or digging, each species has unique traits suited to its lifestyle. Additionally, coastal birds play vital roles in their ecosystems, such as controlling fish populations and dispersing seeds. Their migratory patterns and behaviors also offer incredible opportunities for scientific research and birdwatching. Let's highlight a few examples of coastal bird species to get a sense of their diversity. Puffins, known for their colorful beaks and ability to dive deep into the water to catch fish. Pelicans, recognizable by their large beaks and throat pouches used for catching fish. Sandpipers, small to medium-sized birds known for their long legs and beaks, which they use to probe the sand for food. Seagulls, perhaps the most familiar coastal birds, known for their adaptability and presence around human settlements along the coast. We hope this journey into the world of coastal bird species has been enlightening and enjoyable for you. These birds are not only a testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet's wildlife but also serve as a fascinating subject for English language learning. By exploring topics like this, we can expand our vocabulary, improve our understanding of complex phrases, and connect with the world around us in meaningful ways. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content in the future. Happy bird watching and language learning!